Potato salad is much loved the world over. Whether at a buffet or a barbecue, it's a delicious addition to the menu. But when you're busy sweating over the burgers, there may not always be time to whip up your own special recipe. Then it's time to go from homemade to ready-made, fresh from the factory. The appeal of potato salad is massive. People from around the globe have made a variety of recipes through the years. In fact, there are so many different recipes, you could dedicate an entire cookbook to this king of dishes. But no matter how you have your spuds, potato salad always has that special appeal. Naturally, it's all about the potato. In this factory, they use varieties with low water content, so the potato salad doesn't end up soggy. Fresh from the field, they gently funnel out of the trailer onto a conveyor belt and head up to a washer to clean off the dirt and remove the stones and pebbles. The potatoes then bounce across rollers covered with a fine grit abrasive, and this scrapes off the skins. Once peeled, they're inspected for bruises or other flaws. Then it's down a chute towards the dicing machine. It's equipped with these cutting cylinders. The blades are positioned vertically on one and horizontally on another. They revolve in sync and carve the potatoes into cubes. The blades can be adjusted to cut the cubes larger or smaller, depending on the recipe. Here they're cutting out medium chunks for an American-style potato salad. Trays full of potato cubes enter into a big pressure cooker to steam cook for 6 to 10 minutes. Pressure cooking best preserves the nutrients and original flavor of the potatoes. While the potatoes are cooking, they prepare the crunch in your munch, the celery. The celery sticks first go through a cleansing solution to scrub them clean. On the way, an inspector sorts out leaves and overripe pieces. This time, the cutting cylinders are set to dice more finely than with the potatoes. Out of the washer and thoroughly rinsed, the celery sticks fall into the dicer and it chops them into small bits. The minced celery exits into a vibrating trough and is agitated in a peroxide solution. The extra wash is a safety measure as the celery won't be cooked and cooking kills bacteria. After a further rinse, the soaked celery lands in a perforated drum that slides into another drum. The colander rotates within the drum to spin dry the celery. The next ingredient is eggs. They arrive at the factory already hard-boiled and de-shelled by the supplier, so all that's left is the slicing and dicing. The egg whites cube nicely, the yolks separate and crumble completely. With so many yolk crumbs, their flavour will permeate the entire potato salad. They're now ready to combine some of the ingredients. Finely cut onions are added to the egg, followed by diced red pepper and then the celery. They weigh the mix with each new ingredient to confirm that the portions are correct. Now for the dressing. They pump the ingredients out of large storage tanks. They include vegetable oil, sugar, vinegar and egg yolks. Whipped into a frothy mayonnaise, the dressing flows into a steel mixing vat. The chopped eggs and vegetables are then added, followed by the cooked potatoes, the final ingredient. Blades spiral slowly for a gentle mixing to stop the potato salad turning to mush. With the salad now ready to go, suctioning devices set plastic tubs on a track conveyor. Sensors signal the tub's approach to dispenser nozzles, and they stop right on cue. A portion of salad is then piped into the tub. Suctioning arms then flip the lids onto the tubs and they're sealed and ready to go. Even without their jackets, these potatoes are welcome anywhere.